Nighttime ride of Grizzly, which will probably be worthless video. Well, this is lit, so you can see the transfer track. So if you want to park it, there's a nice view of that one. Hello!
I shouldn't have ate that last piece of pizza.
Ooh, there's lightning in that one. So pretty. There's some light on the turnaround. Wow.
Holy crap!
What'd she say?